see me operate the damaged ignition switch in this next brief clip. So I take it for a ride, and it fires up and runs pretty quickly. When I got the bike, this ignition switch module, which shows the neutral light in green and the reverse light in red, which both work, was damaged. The ignition key side of it was all broken out, and a big chunk of this bottom was broken out. I've reconstructed that there. Looks pretty crappy in this video. I could have finished it a bit better, but that was a combination of some moulding putty and some Plasti-Bond and a bit of black paint to finish it. But it pretty much returned the shape of this back to what it was. Internally, it's got some 32mm conduit and some 40mm conduit to make up the round surface, to give it some structure to get back its curved shape. I've redone the wiring on it. The green plug there used to be attached to the temporary switch which the previous owner was using as an ignition switch, which was this thing, and it had just spade terminals going down to the green connector plugged onto the bike loom. So I bought this ignition switch module. It was only $4 on Wish, I think I got it from. $4 was great, but it took nearly 2 months to get here during this COVID problem. So it's a neat little switch. It's only an on-off switch. The original one had on-off and lights, so the original one was 3-position. This is only 2-position. So at this stage, I've only got it hooked up to work the ignition switch, not the lights. So I might work on something else in future to get the lights operational as well. But with a bit of black paint over my bog, it's repaired this. You'll see in the other photos how damaged this all was. The corners are chipped out of it there, and screw holes torn through, and there was a temporary switch mounted up here at some stage as well. So I've improved that, and we'll get it back on the bike.